It's Monday morning. I'm about to go to the buses to go to the Polynesian to go to one of my favorite places, which is Ohana, for breakfast, so I can get my Tonga toast on. Yay! But I'm gonna spend the morning in Animal Kingdom and then the whole rest of the day until tonight into the Magic Kingdom. So I might not be back to my room tonight. I'm not really gonna change at all unless I need to change for some reason. But I'm ready to go. I want to show you my outfit. So I have on my mini ears. My hair's on a top bun. And then I have on, let me flip it this way. I have on this Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. And then underneath it I have on my Original Musketeers t-shirt that has Minnie Mouse on it. I have on my little shorts and my socks. That's about it. Nothing too crazy, but I will check in with you. It's going to be a fun day, busy day. But I'm excited to go to Animal Kingdom. I can never say it. Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom. Oh my god, I need to get some coffee. Yay! So there's the Grand Floridian. That's where I was last night. I'm waiting for these boats that are out there in the water to come in. I'm gonna flip over my camera here in a second. Got to the Magic Kingdom. I need to find a way to get to the Polynesian. So I'm gonna try to figure that out. Because I think I'm already late for my reservation, but you know. It's the morning, you have to wait for the buses. You're not in as much control over the transportation as you would like to be, so I'm sure they'll be fine that I'm like 5 minutes late. But anyway, I'm gonna go figure out how to get to the Polynesian from here, and I'll check in with you when I get my Tonga toast. Ah. This is our boat to the Polynesian. Those are the new villa bungalow things for the Polynesian resort. That's what they look like. And then over here is the Polynesian. There it is. These are boats that you can rent. Over here you can launch them out into the lake. There's a big volcano looking thing. Oh, look at the trash cans and all the boats. And then there's part of the resort right there. And then I think Ohana is in this building, but I have absolutely no idea. So we're gonna find out. And this is like a little oh, it's a pool. Cool. There's like the lake. So I'm waiting for my reservation at Ohana. I got this thing, but I figured I would show you some of the resort. So here's what Ohana is. No, you're fine, you're fine. And then here's the restaurant back here. So for Ohana. Oh wait, no. So this shows you how sometimes your brain doesn't want to work as much as your actual logic does. So I was over at Ohana. I'm supposed to be at the Kona Cafe. I don't know why I thought it was Ohana, but it's supposed to be the Kona Cafe. But anyway, that's where I'm going. So now I have the right pager. There's the Kona Cafe over there. That's the Kona Cafe. And then Ohana's is back there. And then there's a little trading shop. Oh, where am I? I forgot to get, I forgot my sunglasses. I thought they were on my head because I felt something on my head, but it's my ears that are on my head and not my sunglasses, so I have to go get sunglasses before I go Animal Kingdom. But anyway, I'm here. So here's the menu for the Kona Cafe. I know I'm going to be getting this, the Lico juice, which is orange, passion fruit, and guava juice. And then I'm going to be getting, where's it at? There it is, Tonga toast. I think I'm going to get mine with bacon. Yummy, 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 yummy. But here's the rest of the menu. They have all different kinds of things, right? And this is supposed to be really good as well. 100% Kona coffee. I might get a cappuccino. I don't know. Here's my Tonga toast. And there's my juice. It's a mixture of orange juice and guava and pineapple. And here's my strawberry sauce. And this and this. Oh my god! Let's cut into it. Yeah. Look at that. So good. So, I don't know about you, but this is how I eat my Tonga toast. I eat it with the strawberry stuff. I don't use the syrup or the butter, I just like this. And dip it in. Even the bacon is good in that. Tonga toast. Here's the view. That's where I just was up there. And then here's this guy. Look at him. And there's another gift shop down here. And there's the front desk. And I'm leaving because I'm going to go catch a bus. Here's the outside of it. This is a beautiful place. Oh my god. Monorail. So pretty. Alright, I need to go to catch a bus. So I'm gonna run and catch a bus. The Tonga toast was amazing, as it always is. But I don't want to miss my bus to Animal Kingdom, so I'm gonna walk as fast as I can walk right now to go. So that's what I'm gonna do. Animal Kingdom, there's my bus. Animal Kingdom. People getting their picture taken. I have never been here before, so looking forward to it. I'm gonna go. I got a fast pass for the dinosaur ride and for Everest and for the safari. Those are the things I really want to do. I want to go see the Lion King, but we'll see if I have time. Do you like my new sunglasses? I have 2 pairs at the hotel room that I completely forgot to wear because I thought my ears were my sunglasses, but they're cute. They're Disney themed, so I don't mind at all. And look where I am. The Animal Kingdom. How lovely. I'm gonna go through the fast pass, or not the fast pass, my magic band, and go to the park. I hope I make it for my Dino Land Fast Pass. We'll see. I hope I do, though. It's a big line. Big line today. There's the tree. How cool is that? Very pretty. It's Donald! Ah, Explorer Donald! How cute! This is where I'm going. On Dinosaur. The Fast Pass is like a 10-minute wait. So, not bad at all. So this is where the queue line is for Dinosaur in there. But when you walk in, you see this thing. Very cool. Go inside over here. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, it's me again, Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye.
There's Science Guys and
Bill
gals.
Nye.
They dig up the bones of...
And then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover.
So this is when you're leaving. You're going back to Discovery Island. And then I didn't capture it because I was trying to, You can't see it at all. Let me move backwards. You can go meet Pocahontas, which I might go meet Pocahontas. But anyway. There you go. I didn't do it when I went in because I didn't want to be late for the dinosaur ride. Which, by the way, is like hilarious because I looked at my picture and like my eyes are closed on it. I didn't know what to expect, and I guess when they took the picture, like the dinosaur was coming out, and I got like kind of freaked out because I was in the first row. It was in the dark, so there's like everybody else on my cart is like smiling and like pointing and whatever, and I'm there with my head down, and it's kind of funny. And no, it's really funny. This place is beautiful. I've never been to Animal Kingdom before, so this is very, very exciting. It's kind of like I want to say it's a zoo because it's not a zoo, but the theming of it is very, very, I don't know, zoo-ish? That's not what I mean, but you know what I mean. Hi, Donald! It's just recording. Hi, how are you? I know, they didn't have what you wanted. I had to get Mickey, I'm sorry.
I know, Donald. We gotta talk to somebody about that.
I know, we need to get you a sweatshirt.
We do.
Especially with your hat on. Will you still sign my book?
We gotta find someone to talk about that with.
Okay. Who should we talk to about your merchandising on sweaters?
Okay, sure.
Who can we ask? Ask her? Okay, we'll talk to her about it. We'll have to make
I'm not in charge of merchandise. I'm in charge of you.
Thank you, Donald. Let's get a picture. Do you want to get a picture?
Hold this. This recording.
Donald! Let's go some on your explorations. Thank you. Here's the Dinorama. There's a big dinosaur over there. Up and down there. There's all the stuff for Dinorama. I think the ride's about to start. But while I'm waiting for the ride to start, I just had to tell you about the most amazing interaction I had with Donald. Donald's one of my favorites. And I found Explorer Donald. The line was only like 5 minutes long. And I recorded, me talking to him. And the character was great. We had such a good time. And I love when they interact. And I love the characters. I'm so excited to meet a lot of them today because I'm going to the Magic Kingdom. So I'll be meeting a lot. Here's the ride. Cool. This is the entrance to Asia, and you walk across the bridge, and there's these boats here, and then you go all the way across the river, and you see like Mount Everest in the distance. Pretty cool shot. God love forced perspective of Disney. Every single angle, it looks like it's far, far away, right? In the distance. So cool. So here's Asia. Oh, this is pretty cool. Cool. Very pretty. This is the gift shop right outside the Yak and Yeti restaurant. I didn't go to the Yak and Yeti, but just some of the stuff that they have here. Like these really pretty Buddhas. If you are one to have little Buddhas in your house. These beautiful statues down here. Stuff about China. You know, the typical things.
tea. These are cute. I actually kind of really like this. Ooh, as I knock it off the thing. Really cute dresses. I might pick up a dress. This is cute. It's only, I don't know how much it is. Oh, $38. Ooh, that's a lot for that.
He's been here the second longest, right?
Oh, there goes the other one. There it is. Looks like it's off in the distance, but it's not. We hear the people behind the construction wall yelling at each other. Oh, it's so forbidding. Look at that. Foreboding. Oh, nobody's gonna believe I'm a teacher. By the way, I talk and the vocabulary that I use incorrectly. Anyway, here it is. There's Everest. Expedition Everest. Cool thing. Beautiful theming. The theming of this park is exquisite. It's almost as nice as like, well, all the parks are great, but this is like really beautifully themed. Really cool. Here they go up. There's people going up. They're about to go down. Maybe. Up the hill. Here we go.
Very good.
So I'm on the jungle track.
Thank you.
They give you this really cool map that tells you about like all the animals, right? That are there. But this is the first one. It's Komodo dragon.
No, that's okay.
Hi, Komodo dragon.
Not all the time, but
He's hanging out, doing its thing. Cool.
I didn't know their heads were fuzzy like that.
Oh, look at that one. Its head is sticking out.
It's so funny.
Oh, look at its Look at it. It looks like a hand. It looks like a hand.
Yep.
There it is. Hi, Mr. Tiger. And Miss Tiger. It's beautiful. So I'm more at the bottom looking at the tiger this way. I don't know what it's doing. But there's its house. Pretty nice digs here for the tiger. They get these beautiful plants, this beautiful like pool. They can like go in, right? Pretty cool. This is so gorgeous. This is the trek that you go on. So it's a self-guided tour, and you travel around the path and you see all these different animals. It's really cool, beautifully themed. I'm really enjoying my time here in Animal Kingdom. It's a really pretty park. The artwork, stunning. Stunning.
Side. First arch for Mickey Auntie May. Okay, that should be that.
8 hours every day.
So pretty.
I love it.
Missy?
The tiger's sleeping in the shade. It's kind of a hot day here in Florida, so it wants to take a nap. So at the end of the track, you come out and there's all these beautiful bird feeders, and these birds are just like flying overhead, and it's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. You can't see the birds; they're like back there feeding, but oh, there they go! Oh my God! Whoa! That just came down out of a tree and almost landed on somebody. And now it's just walking around like it owns the place. I did. How beautiful is that bird? No, go, go, go. You're fine. There it goes. There's Baloo. And the monkey. Not the monkey, the chimpanzee. Cool. How cute are they? So in case you don't know, the tree has all these different animals carved in it. From where I'm standing, here's what you can see, right? Beautiful. This park is so beautiful. So now I'm in Africa. I'm about to go on the Kilimanjaro safaris. There's all the different places up there. So definitely see the theming has changed. As you go from country to country, or continent to continent, it's so cool.
Not for the color of their skin, but for the shape of their mouth. A little triangle shape or patch of the front lip that hangs down over their base help them eat their shrubbery. And there's a black rhino, ladies and gentlemen, you can see right there. Fully grown up to 3,000 pounds. The horn on their snout.
Sorry.
And they're all kind of rising now. This is time to, their siesta must be over. Like I said, 5,000 pounds, full-sized. The younger giraffe you see, those are a little more than a year old.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine. You're good.
And the gestation period for giraffe is about 18 months. Yeah, that's twice that of a human. They have those reticulated tongues that allows them to be able to stick them up pretty far out of their mouth. Over here you can see some of the younger giraffe. Now keep in mind the baby giraffe when born can look a full-grown man right in the eye. These giraffe are clearly taller than that. Well, there's a great view over here. Well, we didn't get to see him even though they were inactive and asleep. Instead of weirdness. Later on you can compare the picture. There's a bontoc over there too. You won't see very many bontoc in the wild. Answers the important question.
That would be a real
safari. Black animals with white stripes. There you go.
Aww. How cute.
The beautiful zebra. Each pattern's about as unique as a fingerprint would be to your. Here's a great view to your left. The beautiful scimitar horned oryx. You're probably thinking if those horns do break off, they can just grow back again, right? Wrong. Antlers grow back, horns do not. So yeah.
Poor thing.
The poacher catches the oryx.
So beautifully framed. So pretty. So it's about 1 o'clock. I'm about to leave Animal Kingdom. I want to stay for longer. Maybe I'll come on Wednesday for a little bit before I leave. I don't know. I really love this park. This park is beautiful. I'll talk about it more later, but about to leave and I'm having an early dinner. I'm still pretty full from breakfast this morning, but I just wanted something to have in between like now and dinner. I don't want anything really big. I don't want to have like a big lunch, like a sit-down lunch or anything. So I gotta get this. I got a Mickey pretzel with some cheese. The best ever.